Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias Kitchen. Today I've collaborated with two other YouTubers, Cook with Rania and Husna Laltia. I'll be making fried lamb meats and Husna Laltia will be making KFC chicken and Cook with Rania will be making beef stew. If you haven't subscribed to their YouTube channels, please kindly do, and please don't forget to check out their recipes. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a half a kg of lamb meat or any other meat that you like, some salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, a handful of coriander leaves. I'm going to use a beef stock. This is jumbo or you can use Maggi, grated carrots, some lime juice or lemon juice, and lastly 1 slice of onion. Place your pan or a pot on a medium heat, then you're going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil to heat up, then add the sliced onion and cook the onion till it starts turning color. Once the onion starts turning color, you're going to add the lamb meat and give a quick mix. Then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, some salt to taste. Then lastly, I'm going to add some lime juice or you can use some lemon juice and mix everything well and let the meat to cook on a medium heat. Then I'm going to add a half a piece of jumbo because it contains a lot of salts. Then add the grated carrots and give a quick mix. Pour some water and stir a bit, then cover to let the meat to cook on a medium heat till soft. Once the water is dry and the meat is still hard, continue adding some water till your meat becomes super soft. After about 20 to 25 minutes, your meat should be soft. Then lastly, I'm going to add a handful of coriander leaves and mix everything well and let the meat to cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. If you want your meat to be completely dry, then let your meat to cook until it becomes dry. And if you want your meat to have a bit of sauce, then your meat is ready and remove it from the fire. Then I'm going to serve my fried meat on a plate or you can serve in a bowl. Like, look how soft and well cooked the fried meat looks. And my tasty fried lamb meat is ready, as you can see in the video. You can eat along with some rice, ugali, bread or anything that you like and enjoy your fried lamb meats. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. Please don't forget to watch KFC chicken from Husna Laltia and beef stew from Cook with Rania. And please don't forget to subscribe to their YouTube channels so you don't get to miss any of their videos each and every week. And see you next time. Bye bye.